In Microsoft Windows 11, many background applications are running, and sometimes you don't want those applications running and you might want to monitor them. So to know how to monitor them and to stop them, then what you can simply do is press Ctrl Alt and Delete on your keyboard, and what happens is that you can go around and access the Task Manager. So once you go around into the Task Manager, you can see that this is what pops up, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here, you can see that Camtasia applications are running right here, and similarly all of these applications are running, and you can see their memory uses and everything over here, as you can see. So, but if you want to go around and then end out a particular application, let's say I don't want Google Chrome to be running, then what I can do is I can right click over here and click on End Task right here. And sometimes what happens is that some applications freezes up. In that case, also you can go around and end that task out so that the application does not run anymore and does not freeze anymore right there. Yeah, what you can also do over here is go to performance option and see how your computer is performing and how much processing power your computer is using as well. What you can also do is you can go around into app history and see how much CPU time and network or memory each app has taken as well. You can also go around and set startup options right here. Let's say, for example, if you do not want Microsoft Edge to start up anymore, you can go around over here and disable. So this does not actually delete out the application, but what it does is that it will disable the startup option for Microsoft Edge as you log into Windows 11. So you have to access it manually. You can also see which users are logged in right here currently, and you can also see other details and services that are running over here, and you can go around and start them, or you can stop them or restart them, as you can see right here. You can also end the task right here as well. So that is how you can use the Task Manager to utilize things in your computer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.